In this video, I will show you how to delete apps on macOS. It's really easy to delete apps on macOS, and in this video, I am going to show you 3 ways by which you can delete apps on your macOS. So let's get started. This process is applicable on iMac, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air and Mac Mini. First, open Finder on your macOS and then click on Application in the left panel. From here, look for app that you want to uninstall on macOS. Let's say I want to uninstall ChatGPT. So select the app and from your keyboard, just press Command and Delete. When you use the combination of these keys, the application will be deleted on your OS. The second way is open Launchpad and then find the application that you want to uninstall. Now select the application and then drag it to the bin folder. The third way is open Finder, go to Applications. Now select the app that you want to uninstall and from the menu click on File and from the options click on Move to Bin. And as you can see, the application is now removed from macOS. So that is how you can delete app on macOS. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.